Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about partial fractions. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to find first the derivative of w with respect to u. So we have the function in here. So in this situation, I need to change x and y into this one and this one. So we have like this. X that is about u minus v. Y that is about uv. And now we need to expand this one. Now we need to do first the derivative of w with respect to u. So this one that is about 2u. This one that is about number 1. This one that is about 2u. And now we have the conditions. So in this situation, we put number 5 cone here and number 5 cone here. So we calculate this one and we have negative 225. That is the end. Thank you for watching.